How to fix missing vcruntime140.dll error on Windows 10 and 11. Seeing a missing vcruntime140.dll error on your PC? Here's how to fix it. First, don't download random DLL files from the internet. That can make things worse. Go to Google and search for Microsoft Visual C Redistributable. Open the official Microsoft website and download the latest Visual C Redistributable. Download both versions, x64 and x86, even if your Windows is 64-bit. Once downloaded, open the installer and click Install. If it's already installed, choose Repair instead. After installation, restart your computer. This step is important. Now try opening the app or game again. In most cases, the error will be gone. If the error still shows, update Windows from Settings to Windows Update. Also, make sure the app or game is fully updated. As a final fix, uninstall Visual C Redistributable, restart, then reinstall it fresh. And that's it. This fixes the vcruntime140.dll missing error for most users. Thanks for watching.